Welcome to Corporate Connect. Let's go through exactly how you can make and modify reservations with your Corporate Connect account. To make a hotel reservation on Corporate Connect, click New Reservation. You'll then be brought to the booking page. First, choose your check-in dates. Select how many adults and children will be staying, and then click Apply. This will then show you what's available for those dates. Let's say we want to choose the apartments which don't currently have my exact requested dates. We have the option to choose different dates. Now you can see your room rate options based on your specific agreement with the property. Let's choose the travel agent rate and a nice 2-bedroom deluxe apartment. At the checkout page, you have the option to add enhancements. Let's choose breakfast and a spa treatment. You can see the total cost on the right. If you want to see the price in another currency, you can select from the available options in the drop-down menu. Let's try switching to US dollars. When you're happy with your booking, hit Next. Here we can enter the name of the guest for the reservation. You might also be able to sign up for the hotel's loyalty program, but for this example, we'll choose not to. Select how you want to pay and click Book. Depending on the property, a pop-up may appear asking if you want to upgrade the room or add any extras. You'll then be taken to a reservation self-management page, where you can view the chosen room, the offer, payment details, and the cancellation policy. You can change details of the booking on this page. So let's upgrade the room to a lovely penthouse. You then see exactly how that upgrade differs from what was previously selected, and confirm the new room option. If you need to modify further or cancel the reservation, you can do that from this page too. When you return to the main Corporate Connect account page, you'll see your newly made reservation. If you ever want to manage the completed reservation, you can click Manage, and then you'll be brought back to that original reservation management page. And that's it! Now you're an expert on making and managing reservations with Corporate Connect.